I'm standing at the base of a statue of Norman Borlaug. For those of you who may not know who Norman Borlaug is, he was one of the university's most famous alumni and also a Nobel Peace Prize winner in 1970. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for developing high-yielding, disease-resistant wheats that averted mass starvation in India and Pakistan. I'd like to tell you just a few things about this statue of Norman Borlaug. It's positioned here on the hill facing east where the sun rises because Borlaug was an optimist. This exact replica statue, which was sculpted by Benjamin Victor, is also in the U.S. Capitol in Statuary Hall. He is the ultimate humanitarian, and I encourage you to come up to the statue and reflect back on all of the wonderful things that Borlaug has done during his long career.